Hello everybody, my name is Julia, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make French cream caramels. Cream caramels are the most common type of flan, but a flan could be flavored with different flavored custard. But today I'll show you how to make the simple caramel kind. This recipe only requires 3 ingredients. If you want to use vanilla extract, that's optional, but here are the ingredients. You'll also need ramekins that will be able to fit in another bowl. The first step is to take 8 tablespoons of sugar that is able to be melted and put it in a little saucepan to melt. Now slowly melt your sugar, mixing occasionally. Don't leave this unattended or else you'll end up like this poor guy. It should look like this. Now pour it into your ramekins evenly. Now we move on to the second step, where we mix the ingredients to make the custard. Put in 4 eggs, and if you're wondering, that's not how to crack an egg. Just if you're wondering. After I've added the eggs, we have to put in the sugar. I'm using this monk fruit sweetener that has no calories, so it's basically healthy sugar. And then you have to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Next, we add the vanilla extract. The final ingredient is the milk. Organic milk. It doesn't have to be organic, but it's better if it is. And you probably guessed it already. We're adding 500 milliliters of organic milk. Next, get a workable electrical whisk. Make sure it works first because you don't want to wash an unworkable electrical whisk. But yeah, and then whisk the mixture together. Don't go so fast or else the milk will start to form bubbles. But I noticed a bigger problem. Oh, there's an eggshell! Yeah, so I fished it out with a spoon. Guys, look at this beautiful shell. Look at it, people. Look at it! It's a beautiful shell. Not really that beautiful, but okay. I didn't know how I got there until I replayed the footage. It fell in and I didn't even notice. That's why you don't do that, guys. Don't do that. Returning to our mixture, keep mixing until it's all smooth and mixed together. It should look like this. Evenly fill the custard mixture into the ramekins. It's okay if the caramel's frozen, we'll cook it later in the oven. Now, fill the bowl with the ramekins halfway with water. Put those in a cold oven. And then cook to 350 degrees. Make sure the oven is cold and then cook to 350 degrees. That's the max. You have to bake for an hour. Literally an hour. Trust me, guys, when I come back, it'll be 9:59. Trust me, guys.
Now, while we let them bake, I don't usually record the audio in these cooking videos, but when I do, it's kind of hilarious. Hear this.
It's a little bit of bread. Sure.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of bread. It's a little bit of bread.
Now let's return to the custards. They must be ready. Whoops, we baked for a little bit over an hour. It's okay if they're kind of puffy, they'll shrink back in a few hours. Then take them out using oven mitts because it's really hot. And then put it on the stove top to cool down. See, they shrunken. Now, leave them at a room temperature for 12 hours, aka overnight, and then after 12 hours, put them in the fridge and enjoy.
People, let's try our cream caramels now. Okay, they look like this. Ooh, they're very chunky. They're very chunky. But it doesn't matter how they look, it only matters how they taste. It's good. And if you poke through enough layers, you have this caramel sauce, which is very delicious. They're so good. You can definitely taste the egg and the milk. But it's so delicious. They're so good. You should make them. Definitely. Delicious.
You can eat it straight out of the ramekin, or take a little plate and the thing, and then cut the outside of the cream caramel. And then gently tap it onto the small plate, and you get this, and it should come out. And you also have the extra sauce on the side, and or serve it with berries. That's how they do it in most French restaurants.
Bon appetit. Merci.
Thank you for watching. I really hope you try it out.